Hi guys, it's Grayson here. I just want to give you guys a quick update and a quick summary for what the Berkshire Hathaway 2020 Annual General Meeting is all about. So I've been staying up for 5 to 6 hours last night just to attend and to watch the whole Annual General Meeting live stream last night. So if you don't want to hassle for a few hours, I'll just give you the summary real quick. So obviously the Annual General Meeting for Berkshire Hathaway this year is very different compared to the previous year. Because for one, it's because of the COVID-19 coronavirus lockdown. Nobody actually want to gather in one place just to attend the meeting. But bear in mind, the Berkshire Hathaway Annual General Meeting is a huge event for many investors all around the world. Last year, I think that's like 42,000 people gathered in Omaha just to see Warren Buffett and just to get the investment advice from him. So in this video, I'm gonna gather all the important informations from the meeting and summarize it up for you guys just to help you to make a better investment decisions. So I'll be greatly appreciated if you click the like and subscribe button before we get started. So let's get to the video.
Nothing could basically stop America. The American miracle, the American magic has always prevailed.
So the biggest move Warren Buffett made this year, and that one that shocked a lot of investors and definitely make a big impact to the stocks market, is he sold all portions of airline company stocks in Berkshire Hathaway, and that included airlines company like United Airlines, American Airlines, and Southwest Airlines. And what surprised me the most is he even sold all portions of Delta Airlines, because he has been holding Delta Airlines stocks for a very long time. In fact, 2 months ago, he just added some portions to the Berkshire Hathaway portfolio. So it really surprised me a lot that he sold all airline company. And the total value for all portions airline company that he sold is worth about $4 billion. And he even openly admit that he made understandable mistakes when he valuing the airlines company in last quarter. And moving on, Warren Buffett told the investors all around the world, do not bet against America. What he meant is, don't because of a pandemic or a virus outbreak and you think the American economy is gonna collapse. No, it doesn't happen that way, because American economy has survived more tough challenges than this one. America has survived the Cuban Missile, has survived the 9/11, World War I, World War II, countless times of trade war, yet American economy is still standing strong today. So he encouraged and advised all the investors around the world, do not bet against American economy, because eventually it's gonna rise again and it's gonna stand strong again. And the third most important thing that he said, that it's gonna take a few years or even a decade just to fully recover the damages the COVID-19 has done in physically, economically, financially, and psychologically. And I completely agree with that. Just because the world economy is gonna recover eventually, but I believe we're gonna have a really tough period of time during these few months to recover. And in the meeting, Warren Buffett openly praised the FED chairman, Mr. Powell. FED is like a central bank here in Malaysia. So the chairman of FED is like the chairman of central bank, Bank Negara here in Malaysia. So because of what he has done, because of what Mr. Powell has done during the economic downturn and during the stocks market crash for like 30% last 2 months, and because of what he has done, and he has come out with a lot of policy like quantitative easings, printing a lot of money to rescue the economics and etc. I think he deserved the praise from Warren Buffett. And when I'm watching the live stream, I've been thinking what it takes to deserve a praise from a man like Warren Buffett. And I think it's a question that we all should have been thinking. So I know a lot of you are thinking right now, so what are the investment advice from Warren Buffett, or what stocks Warren Buffett want us to buy right now? Well, Warren Buffett wants you to buy the American economy. What he means is he wants you to buy into the S&P 500 stock index right now. Because the best thing to do during this economic downturn is not to pick individual stocks, is to buy the stock index. For those that don't know what S&P 500 stock index is, it's basically just all American stocks put into one basket and you buy a portion of the basket, if it makes sense to you. So yeah, he basically said the best thing to do now is to buy the S&P 500 stock index and invest it in the long term. And he basically said that in the long term, it's gonna beat a lot of the financial advisings and a lot of the treasury bonds. So before I end the video, I will play the actual footage of the meeting itself. So click the like and subscribe button before we watch the footage, and as always, stay safe and stay invested.
Not done anything because we don't see anything that attractive to do. We're willing to do something very paramount. We kind of like capital allocation ourselves. So, we're not going any place voluntarily, but we probably will go someplace involuntarily before that long. Charlie's in good health.